Hello and welcome, my friends. Welcome to another unboxing episode. I've just returned from the post office with this little pack. Let me tell you what I paid for the content of this pack, including the shipment cost. So, I paid a total of 120 lays or 24.25 euros or 26.65 American dollars. And you will see that this pack contains 3 items. I will tell you the price for each and every one of them. Now, without further delay, let me try to open this pack. And to open this pack, I will use a special ballpoint pen. And I'm sure that if you watch my channel and you've seen unusual ballpoint pens, you will know what I'm talking about. So, this is a ballpoint pen, guys. Look at it. But in the same time, it has this little knife. I'm not so sure it cuts so well, but I will try to use this to open this pack over here. So let me see. Yes, it was quite useful, but I'm sorry. So I will try to use it. The blade is on this side. Well, it doesn't cut so well, but it does its job. So let me see. I will put it here. So this is quite a well packed parcel. Okay, let me see. Okay, I've reached the inner box. So guys, I've reached the inner box and now I'm trying to cut it as well as I can. Or rather stab it, because this knife is not so sharp, but it has this pointy edge. We will try to manage without it. Let me see. Yes, I think I've done okay. Let me take out the content. So guys, this is the content. Okay. And let me see what we have here. So again, I will use this. Well, I'm not so sure I should do that. So I will try to cut it from this part. Okay. Just remove that. Okay. So this is the content, guys. Let me take out this ballpoint pen. And I will start with the main reason I bought this pack. So the main reason I bought this pack, it is this box that you can see here. So this is a Pelikan box. If you watch my channel, you know that I already have one Pelikan box and another Pelikan box. This is the oldest one, and I know that fact because we have the mother with 4 chicks. This is the one I bought today. You can see that the mother, the pelican mother, is in its nest with only 2 chicks, and the other one also with 2 chicks. So we know that this box that I bought today has a logo that was changed in 1937. So this is a box from the end of the 1930s, an ebonite box. On the back we have Gunther Wagner Pelikan, and the 45K. So guys, this box is a Bakelite box, if I'm not mistaken, and it contains the typewriter ribbon, and it was housed in this box. Of course, I buy them to store old nibs, and they are quite practical. What did I pay for this box, guys? So this vintage 1930s box cost me around 40 lays, or 8.08 euros, or 8.88 American dollars. So this price includes the shipping cost to my doorstep, or to my office, or to my postal office. Okay, let's leave this aside. And the other one, guys, are scarves. And I will start with this beautiful silk scarf. And let me tell you what I paid for it. So I paid the same amount I paid for the box, for the Pelikan box. I paid 40 lays, or 8.08 euros, or 8.88 American dollars. Why did I pay this sum of money for it? Of course, it's a lady scarf, and it has a quite nice, interesting pattern, guys. And I bought it specially for this interesting uh, Mont Blanc, Le Tour du Mont Blanc. So it reminded me of the old boxes from Mont Blanc, the famous German fountain pen producer. I'm just looking for yes. So this was, let me show it to you. This was made in Italy, fabriqué in Italy, and oh, I'm sorry, it's not made out of silk, but it's 100% polyester. So maybe I got it wrong. This is not a silk scarf, but again, guys, I did not pay lots of money for it, and I think it's quite nice. Quite nice. I believe it has different postcards, so from Mont Blanc, from Washington, different types of postcards. And this reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana, or some Cartier fashion brand. So quite nice, and quite large, as you can see. So this is one of them. And the last items is again a scarf. I paid the same amount of money, so around 40 lays, or 8.08 euros, or 8.88 American dollars. And because I saw the previous one, I will say that this is also a polyester scarf. I was intrigued by its pattern, those H's, and I thought to myself, whoa, this resembles like Hermes scarf. I'm pretty sure it's not a Hermes scarf, but it has this pattern, guys. And now I'm trying to see if we have somewhere the producer of this scarf. So no, unfortunately we don't have. I don't know if this is polyester, but judging by the price I paid for it, I think it is also a polyester scarf. So I will make a gift, maybe to my mother, or someone who wears those scarves. So this is it, guys. This is the pattern. I hope you can see it. Quite nice. This was my unboxing for today. The main reason is this Pelikan box. Those were, let's say, some other items that I loved from the same seller. I think I did okay on this box, and it will be treasured in my collection among the other boxes from Pelikan. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. I will see you again at the next episode with new and exciting vintage writing instruments and new writing instruments. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye, and God bless you all.